Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a Thai-style dessert, mango sticky rice. Let's look at the ingredients first. You may refer to the descriptions for a list of ingredients and instructions. Wash and soak sticky rice in water for 5 hours or overnight. Drain the rice really well. Tie a steaming basket with a piece of cheesecloth. Or you may use an oil-brushed plate, but make sure the rice must be drained really dry. Flatten the rice and poke some holes on rice to let air circulate during steaming. Steam for 25 minutes. Let's prepare the sweet sauce now. It contains water, coconut milk, and sugar, and optional Pandan flavoring. Mix everything together. Boil it on stove. Let's make the salty sweet sauce for topping now. Mix 3 grams of rice flour with 15 grams of water. Boil coconut milk, salt, and sugar on stove, gradually adding the rice flour water into the mixture. Continue to cook the mixture until it becomes a little thick. Scoop out the sticky rice from steaming basket and loosen it. Pour the sweet sauce into the rice and stir well. Wrap the rice with plastic and let it sit for 20 minutes so the sauce will be fully absorbed into the rice. Press the sticky rice into a bowl and flip it over to serve on a plate. Add the salty sweet sauce on top and sprinkle it with white sesame seed. You may serve it with mangoes now, but we may also serve it in a more fancy way, like with a mango rose on top. Peel and cut a mango in half. Thinly slice half mango. Press the rice to flatten it. Place the mango slices to form layer circles with tips overlapping, with bigger slices from outside to smaller ones in the center. Place mango slices on the outside of the rice to decorate. Use a knife to separate the petals. Add the salty sweet sauce as a topping. Pretty mango sticky rice is ready to serve. Enjoy!